Okay. Well, the weatherman lied. Weatherman lied. So I gotta be careful here. I was cleaning some cork tops for a project. And weatherman said it was supposed to be in the 40s. Well, guess what? He lied. Mike and Jarva and Nikki and I are walking the creek at the 1880 Victorian permission. And I just found a beautiful cocoon. Let's see if I can get it in there. Come on, where is it? There it is. And it has natural gold. Look at that. Oh, look at that. It's like a natural gold stripe. I didn't think anything in nature made gold color. Isn't that beautiful? Cocoon? Yeah, we had a pretty hard rain last night, so the water's up. And we're walking downstream, so it's making everything cloudy. So, I'll get back to you if I find anything else in nature here. There's a blue heron ahead of us on the creek. Sorry I'm wiggling so much. He's on a branch, a lower branch of a willow tree around the bend. We'll see if the dogs make him fly away. It's a little bit closer. There must be big fish in here. Look at that. My grandson and I found little minnows, so we're walking back through the woods. They don't even make toy guns like that anymore. Look at that. That's kind of cool. Look at this guy. Isn't he beautiful? He's finding a place to make his cocoon. Some kind of a moss caterpillar. Hey, little guy. He says, oh, I don't like plastic or rubber. He's finding a place to make his cocoon. Okay, it's running. Look at the size of this maple. It's huge. How old do you think this is?
I don't know.
Huh. It's a big one. Well, back to reality. I don't know if you can see it. It's trying to snow again. Here it finally all melted. Tanner's bummed. There's no snow. And I have to get the generator out, get those tarps on the table, and get the generator under the table. Because we are expecting some dangerous freezing rain for quite a long period of time. And may have some power outages, so I've got to get prepared. I hope you enjoyed the memory of summer. Hopefully spring is not too far off. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.